In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn on or off spelling autocorrect in Microsoft Teams. If this video helps, just like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so if your Microsoft Teams doesn't show autocorrect when you are typing, then you can turn on this feature. Also, if you no longer need spelling autocorrect, you can also disable this feature. To do this, log into your Microsoft Teams account and then head to people here, and you should see a settings gear. Now from here, click on general and then scroll down to editor spell check. If you go under spelling, you can see you can either turn on ignore words in uppercase, ignore words with numbers, ignore internet and file address. You can also turn on flag repeated words. If you don't want this, you can also disable them. And here you can see we have an option for correct words while typing. If you want this feature, make sure it is turned on. However, if it was turned off, then you have to enable this, and this will automatically correct words while typing in real time. So that's how you can turn on or off spelling autocorrect while typing in Microsoft Teams. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.